So this video is for clients who want to send their hairpiece for us to repair. Now, you look at your hair system and pull on it. And if you see the hair is still strong, but you are missing only a little spot here and there, that is repairable. You can send it to us and we will fix it for you. But if you have a hair system like this one over here, as you see, there's a lot of hair missing. And when you pull on the hair and it breaks, that means this is not repairable. So it's not worth it to send it to us to fix it. So this is not repairable. Don't bother to send this to us.